In this video, we will discuss how to create a custom survey in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over directly in their HubSpot web page. Once you're in there, you just need to go over to the service tab. And then from in there, you should be able to find feedback surveys. So click on this. After you have done that, you will be redirected to upgrade for the actual Sales Hub and Service Hub Professional. So for this case, let's try to start a 14-day free trial so I can show you how it looks like. Now we have successfully joined this, and you can see this right here under the survey for the feedback surveys. Click on this create a survey in order to create one. So you can choose between custom survey, customer support, satisfaction, as well as other industry standard surveys. Just choose right here which one you want. On my case, I'll choose right here customer satisfaction. And you can see right here how it works, and you can preview how it looks like. Once you're done, proceed to click on next, and in there you just need to edit it however you want. You can choose delivery method by email, web page, or chat, and once you're done, click on the discrete survey. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.